Instructor-led trainings, or ILTs in TalentLMS, give you the flexibility to deliver live training sessions, either online or in person, right from your platform. Easily schedule, manage, and track sessions to keep learning interactive and engaging. Let's create an ILT session right now. Log into your portal as an instructor. Click Courses, select the course you want to add an ILT unit to, and click Edit Course. Then click the Add button, hover over Learning Activities, and select Instructor-Led Training. Let's name this unit Meet the Instructor and add a brief description. You'll see 3 session types available to you. Online session with an integrated tool, a virtual session conducted using the integrated web conferencing tool. In-person session, a session held at a physical location. Online session with other external tools, a virtual session using an external web conferencing tool that's not integrated with TalentLMS. Let's pick an online session with an integrated tool for this example. Just a heads up, TalentLMS supports integrations with Zoom, GoToMeeting, GoToWebinar, GoToTraining, Microsoft Teams, and Big Blue Button. If you haven't connected one yet, sessions will run using the built-in Big Blue Button tool by default. Give your session a name and then add a date and a time. Choose the instructor in charge of the session, the duration using the bar, and add any other details in the description. Then click Save. To check who has registered already, click Manage Users. From here you can register users manually, change the registered user's status, grade, send a message, or even remove the registered users from the session. You can also customize and print the attendance sheet. From the ILT options, you can select how the unit will be completed. By default, the ILT is marked as complete once the instructor provides feedback. However, you can save time by selecting one of the following alternative options. When the session has ended, the ILT will be marked as completed automatically once the session ends. When the learner attends the session, the ILT will be completed once the session ends, only if the learner attended. Let's select the default option. Now let's take a look at how things appear from the learner's point of view. Click on the course, move to the ILT unit to access the registration page, and click the Register button. You can also add the session in your own calendar from here, or unregister. The Join button will be activated once the session is about to start. This unit is completed once the instructor assigns a grade by default. Let's see how this works. As an instructor, head to Grading Hub, then click the ILT Sessions tab. This is where you can track each learner's status across all your ILT sessions. Use the search bar or filter to quickly find specific users. Simply select the learner to update their status, from pending to passed or not passed. You can also assign a grade and leave comments. Alternatively, you can go directly into the course that contains the ILT unit and click Manage Users to make updates accordingly. ILT units help your instructors connect with learners on a more personal level and keep track of attendance for every session right from TalentLMS.